guys, welcome or welcome back to the channel. I am Debishmita. Obviously, you guys already know this as well, that this is a facial kits review or my experience sharing with you people. So as we all know guys, the festive season has already begun, and obviously my face has got a lot tanned because I'm just back from a vacation. And so guys, on a facial kit that I can rely having my eyes closed is Nature's. So I chose Nature's to show you guys today. And as we all know, we are in between a pandemic situation. Not everybody can afford an expensive facial at the parlor, or not everybody wants to go right now outside for their facial right now. So we can do this at home, that also just at 260 rupees. This is a 3-time use pack. That means your one time facial equals to, that sums up us to 80 rupees. So today you guys, I have chosen Nature's Brightening Diamond Facial Kit for my tanned skin that needs to be detanned for, of course, and that needs some brightness obviously. And this is a 4-step kit, and this has all detan therapy that comes free with this pack, which is very 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 beneficial right now, because in India we often get tanned, and that tan looks kind of very uneven on our skin. So guys, that is a must need. So this is how the tube packaging looks. We get 4 of the steps and 1 detan therapy wipe off mask that we need. That is a good prep before you start with your facial. So we'll start today with this, as just get started with our facial. Let's start by prepping our skin, and I'll prep my skin with this detan therapy wipe off mask, as I've already told you guys. So guys, this is a wipe off mask, and I completely rely on this product's efficacy, because this works going into the deeper layers of your skin. And this is how it looks. It's a creamy texture and completely white in color. So I'll just apply a generous amount on my skin and wipe it off after letting it dry for 15 minutes. Yes, as it says, like apply a thick layer onto your skin and then wipe it off with a wet tissue after 15 minutes of its application. And I have pulled back my hair guys, so that the hair doesn't come in between my facial or doesn't disturb me as I do it. Also says that massage the mask into the skin for 2 minutes with a gentle circular motion before you wipe it off. So that this actually reveals your brighter and glowing skin, you guys, obviously. And I am kind of a lot tanned guys. Those of you know from me for a very very long time, you guys know that I have been tanned a lot of lately. So this was a much needed facial for me, and a much needed review for you guys as well, because the festive season has already begun. So you guys can do this very easily at your home just in 45 minutes, which is very 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 quick and easy for you guys, without going or taking the hassle of going outside. You guys can see the results on my face. You have already seen how much tan I have got at the beginning of the video. So let's just see how I get transformed at the end of the video. So yeah guys, that's it. Let's see you after 15 minutes. So yes guys, 15 minutes are over, and I'll just wipe it off with the help of a wet tissue guys. And let's see guys, I have been using Nature's product from a very very long time, and I absolutely, as I have told you guys earlier, like I absolutely depend on their efficacy. I know guys how much good their products are, so I know how well they work for my or perform for my skin. That is the reason I reach out for their products again and again. These products, their products are one of the super affordable and best products as you guys can get out in the market. And because of its affordability, a lot of, or a huge chunk of people can afford it or buy it, which is so good for people like us who can buy it. So yes, so gently rubbing it in circular motion, I'm just wiping it off from my skin, as you guys can see. So guys, yeah, it's just 260 rupees and you get this pack for free, this wipe off mask free. So this is a great prep before your facial. Your skin gets detanned and your skin completely, gets prepped for your facial, whichever facial you do, guys. I have chosen the diamond one, but whichever facial you do, your skin gets completely prepped, and this return helps enhancing your skin complexion, which adds on to the glow of your facial, which is a very 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 nice prep for your before your facial. Like I am repeating this so many times, but I really mean my words, you guys. So yes guys, you guys can already see how much tan is already removed from my skin. You can see the brightness itself, guys, isn't it? So guys, yes, we'll move forward to the next step, this cleanse. And guys, I really like the packaging, guys. A lot of brands does this in sachets or something, but sachets are very messy to use. Even if a sachet is a 3-time use thing, then you have to cut it and then you have to store. Like the storing part is very weird, but tube packaging is a lot less messier, guys, as I think. So I'll take a generous amount of this cleanse again. So yes guys, my face is wet for the cleanser, and I have taken a generous amount of this cleanser. So I'll just take it between my palm and gently rub it. Oh, it's a nice formulation. It has kind of, scrubbing circular small beads, which is not too harsh for your skin. That is the best, you guys. Time we don't want a harsh kind of, cleanser that will, create micro tears on your skin. So yeah, and this has a very pleasant fragrance. You guys will just love doing this facial. You'll have a gala time doing this facial, because this, all of these products has a all of these products or all of these tapes has a very nice pleasant fragrance, which is not too overpowering but absolutely fine. And also guys, that I forgot to mention that this facial is suitable for all skin types, so you do not have to worry if you are from any skin type, even sensitive skin type or something, then also you can use this. And yes guys, as this direction of this product says that you need to, of this step says that you need to use this in circular motion for 5 minutes, and then again you can just rinse it off or wash it off. Then I'll just wash it off camera and come back to you guys. I am back after cleansing my face, or rinsing the cleanser with water. So, and I haven't let my face dry. I have kept my face moist, because the second step is massage cream, which says that let your skin be moist, because you need to apply this or massage this on top of moist skin, and you need to keep it like after using it, you just need to let it soak into your skin, and you do not need to wipe it off or rinse it off or anything, because you can just totally apply the next step or go on to with the next step, having it on your skin. Cream also says that the glycerin in the cream moisturizes your skin and gives it a soft smooth sheen, ready for your step 3. So basically this is step 2, and this says that dot it all over your face. Like I'll just dot it on my face, and you need to do it for 15 minutes, like around 15 minutes. You need to like kind of relax while you do your massage, because that's how you should be doing. Ideally you should be doing your massage. So yeah, I'll just start massaging it on my skin. And yes guys, I do not know a lot of massage techniques, so don't rely on my video for massage techniques. At least you can easily YouTube it. Like there's a lot of videos on massage technique, different massage techniques. I'll do the simple normal ones that I know. So like do not rely on me for a like very good kind of massage techniques. Yes, guys, the glycerin present in this, massage cream is such a savior, you guys, because in this winter season, like a dry skin girl like me needs a lot of glycerin to lock in the moisture or to keep moisture on your skin. This is such a moisturizing, massage cream. This is again has a very nice fruity, pleasant fragrance and has a kind of sheen to your sheen to the cream. So this is how I do my massage. As I guys told you, I do not know a lot of massage techniques, and ideally you shouldn't be talking while you do this, but as I'm telling you guys or explaining this to you guys, so that is the reason I'm talking. But ideally just relax when you do this. Guys, I'm very explicit about the efficacy of these products because I rely on Nature's from a very long time, and I know this is one brand that will never let me down. So yes guys, so like do it for 15 minutes. The cream has been completely soaked into my skin. I'm a dry skin girl, so this will get soaked into my skin, as you guys can see. So yes guys, so I'll move on to the next step, that is polish as told by them. Or so this is their glow pack that you should be ideally applying on top of this, because they don't give you any direction like to wipe it off or rinse the second step. So I'll directly apply this onto my skin using my fingers again, and you need to keep this for 10 minutes after applying it onto your skin. This has a clay kind of texture, you guys. This bag has my heart, you guys, because this keeps my skin so well. This takes care of my skin so well, so nicely. You have to keep this pack for 10 minutes, you guys, and you do not have to dry it off completely. You do not need to dry this off completely onto your skin. Like after 10 minutes only you can just rinse it off, like rinse your face. This kind of packs aren't to be kept for a very long time, and that is the reason I love this kind of facials, because it takes very less time. It can be done in such less time and so hassle free, so much hassle free, because you can do it at the comfort of your home. You do not need to go anywhere, and that to just 80 rupees per facial is super affordable, you guys. Also guys, do not forget to check Nature Essence official YouTube channel, that is Nature Essence official, I guess, and I'll just write it somewhere on the screen, and in the description box it will be also mentioned. So do not forget to check the description box for any information, and you can always comment down below if you have any queries. So yes guys, in a very untidy manner, I know I apply my packs, completely applied my pack onto my skin, leaving my eye and mouth area. Obviously do not go into our eye area with packs. So yeah, I'll just let it dry for 10 minutes and then just rinse it off. This also says like leave it untouched for 10 minutes, let it magic work on your skin. So you just relax for this time, wash it off with plain water. So I'll just wash off my skin and I'll be back. So yes guys, I'm back after washing off the pack. So this is my bare skin. My skin feels so soft and smooth and radiant, you guys. I can't even explain it to you in words. Or if you are not in front of me, if you can touch my skin, you can't understand like how soft this skin feels. Like you just can't explain it into words. So yes guys, so the last and the next step is polish cream. This is the last fourth step. So I'll just apply it on my skin, you guys, and I'll take a generous and adequate amount on my hand and then apply it on my skin. And this says like regularly apply it to maintain your skin's glow and the brightness of your skin. Obviously, this gives you to maintain your diamond white and diamond bright skin. And this says like the rich milk in the finishing cream lightens, smoothens and perfects your skin, giving you a fair diamond-like radiance, you guys. But yeah, it does gives you an amazing glow to your skin, guys. I can't even explain it to you in words. Yes, guys, it gives you an amazing glow. I'll just take it down to my neck as well. It gives you an amazing glow. You just need to massage it into your skin. It feels so soothing and amazing, you guys. My skin feels so. This is a polish leave-on cream. You don't do anything after this. You just let your skin be like this, and obviously this is how my skin after the entire facial, you guys can see the glow itself. You guys have seen my skin in the starting itself, and you guys can see how much glow my skin has got. So guys, this is how my skin look after the entire facial is done. So I feel that my skin feels so smooth and hydrated and brightened. Obviously, you have to do this once in a fortnight, then only you can see a huge difference in your skin. But after using the detan therapy, you'll see an instant difference on your skin. If you're tan, then it's the best probable solution for you guys, so that you guys can see an instant result on your skin. At least I have seen. I don't know how much it was visible on camera, but I have seen it in person, and I can recommend this, guys, to you. This is a 10 on 10 product. If you guys can follow these steps, like obviously this can be the best ever facial that you'll do at your home, and you'll thank me. So yes, guys, this has an amazing kind of very minute shimmer shiny particles, which makes you party ready in this festive season. Like if you have an event coming up, then just go for this one, you guys. I have loved this. I have loved the sheen and shimmer on my face. And yes, guys, this looks amazing on the skin. As I have told you a gazillion of times, I guess a billion of times I have been repeating this, but this actually looks amazing on the skin, you guys. This polish cream looks amazing on the skin, you guys. I think this is the showstopper of this entire kit. I feel this looks amazing on the skin. This cream adds a lot of different kind of sheen to your face. That was like a luminous sheen that was missing from your face. Like I'll just come like in a close-up. I want to show my skin. It looks such amazing, you guys. You guys can see, look, this looks amazing, you guys. I just love. Thank me after knowing or after doing this facial. Like, do give this a try, because it's just 80 rupees per facials, and you guys can see 80 rupees for this glow. Isn't it super affordable? What you guys say? Like, just let me know in the comment section below, and obviously do not forget to subscribe to their official YouTube channel, as I told you guys. And guys, I'll meet you in my next video. Do not forget to hit like, share and subscribe to my channel if you're new here. I'll meet you in my next video. Bye.